the Science for Schools. In this episode, we're going to make carbon dioxide. To make carbon dioxide, we're going to use hydrochloric acid. I have 3 molar there. And we're going to use marble chippings, which are calcium carbonate. Other equipment, you're going to need a conical flask with a tube coming out into a water basin with a beehive shelf and a gas jar. We have another couple of gas jars because we're going to collect 3 samples. You also need some lime water for testing and a couple of candles for testing. Most importantly, guys, you need your goggles on. You need your eyes to see the results. So, I've put my hydrochloric acid in here. I'll remove my funnel and I'm going to very slowly let some of the hydrochloric acid fall on the marble chips. This will produce bubbles, which are carbon dioxide. Okay, there we go. And you see our bubbles of carbon dioxide coming into this beehive, into the gas jar straight away. I'm going to use the glass lid to stopper the flask. Now that's 1 jar. I'll let in a little bit more hydrochloric acid and we get more bubbles of carbon dioxide. And I'll stopper this jar. And we'll get 1 more. Okay, so that's number 3. Now I'll move this out of the way because we don't need it anymore. Okay, first test we're going to do on carbon dioxide. We're just going to note the colour and the smell. So carbon dioxide is a colourless and odourless gas. So we have a colourless gas in here. And if you give it a bit of a smell, there's no smell. So it could be carbon dioxide. Now, as we all know, the definitive test for carbon dioxide is to use lime water. So lime water will turn a milky colour in the presence of carbon dioxide. So I have some lime water here. I'll pour it into the gas jar and give it a bit of a shake. And you can see straight away it has turned milky. That shows that it's definitely carbon dioxide in the jar, and because it went milky so quickly, shows that it is quite a high percentage of carbon dioxide. Now the last test I'm going to do, if you know that you need oxygen for combustion, you'll know that carbon dioxide will also extinguish a flame. So I'm going to pour this carbon dioxide onto these candles. Let's get rid of the bit of water first. So you can see the candles went out because the carbon dioxide surrounded them and there was no oxygen left to burn. That's the end of that experiment. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next episode.